Hi, this is Malini. This is a Gasteria bicolor variegated liliputana. It's native to South Africa and it has this beautiful flower right now. It's orange, kind of orange flower on these tall stalks. Now you can see here, this is what kind of I enjoy doing, it's kind of therapeutic. See these brown leaves here? You just take some tweezer and pull it out so you can. This is common here when you get these brown leaves. You take a tweezer here. See if I can grab it here. You just pull it out. See? So you just take those dried leaves. They tend to have dried leaves on and off because they're shedding all these dried stems here, and then they have new growth. So you just take a tweezer, or you can use your fingers. Tweezers might be a little easier, and just kind of pull out the dried leaves. So this plant actually is a slow-growing succulent, and it stays like a rosette shape. I can pull that out. It's kind of hard here, but I'm trying to pull it out a little more. So you can do this to other succulents. When you have dry leaves, you can pull out the leaf there. Now this color here is from the sun. Also, this might have a little more intense in color, but it tends to stay kind of this color all year round. With more sun exposure, they get more reddish brown. You have some of the green as well. This is great outdoors. It can tolerate low light conditions. Now, typically wait for the soil to completely dry or near dry and then water it. Out here in Pasadena, we water about once a week, and we wait for it to completely drain to the bottom before we water it again. Looks really nice in this container here, a very nice low bowl shape, and has this pretty jade rock, which really complements this entire succulent. It's not cold or frosty, so I do recommend bringing it indoors. If you have a really cold climate, bring it indoors, put it near a bright window where it gets good air circulation. And you can take it outdoors when it's warmer. Thanks for watching.